Hey New Build Show, today we're exploring a brand new development by Northstone, a leading developer here in the Northwest known for design-led and sustainable communities that adapt to the way that you live. So this is a Cynefin development which consists of 3 to 5 bedroom houses starting from £385,000 up to £685,000. So that you can get your bearings, it's located in the beautiful town of Horwich, which is just outside of Bolton in Greater Manchester, and you get a real mix of convenience and also countryside life. So if you like scenic walks, there's a lovely park just down the road, Rivington, and you also have great transport links if you like the city life to Manchester and Liverpool. Now, just having a look at the house from the exterior, it looks so premium and there's some amazing features that I can't wait to show you inside. So this is a show home behind me that we're going to be exploring today. It's 4 bedrooms and it's just over 1,800 square feet. Now, just before we go inside, I wanted to point out how spacious this driveway is, especially for a new build, and it also has EV charging points, as do all of the homes here at the Cynefin development, which is very handy and future-proof. So let's head inside and check it out. Welcome inside. So we're going to start here in the open plan spaces. So this whole ground floor is open plan so that you can get your bearings. We've got the formal dining room here on my right. Back here we have the Lootility, which is a very fun concept, and I will share more of that with you later on. But one of the first things I noticed here in the entrance hall is the ceiling heights. I mean, you can actually see here, they've got a sign where the average new build ceiling height is, and it definitely goes above that, and it just feels really spacious when you walk in. This is on 3 floors as well. So we have a living room upstairs, we've got 4 bedrooms to show you, but for now, let's head into the kitchen. Into your kitchen and dining space. So the flooring in here is luxury vinyl, and this continues throughout the entire ground floor, so it feels very cohesive. We have 2 different sections here. So we've got the dining room, we'll come back to that in a minute. I first of all want to show you the kitchen because it is stunning. So on the worktops here, we have got silestone, and this continues throughout the entire kitchen, and we've even got it on the backsplash. Now, I feel like this is just perfect for family living. They literally have everything you could need, even to USB charging points over there. It's just super handy, and it also looks very sleek. Now let's come and have a little closer look. Over here on the cabinetry, these are all handleless, so there's lots of clean lines and it just feels very modern. We also have integrated appliances throughout. Now, one of my favorite things is this oven here actually has an air fryer in it. So I don't know about you guys, but I cook absolutely everything in the air fryer. I can't remember the last time I actually used an oven, so to have that in it is just perfect. We also have full height fridge and freezers over here, and so much storage space. I've just been having an explore. Let me show you. So up here, loads of space, and also down here every cupboard has so much storage. Even on the island as well, we've got the integrated dishwasher here and spaces for your bins. They've just thought of absolutely everything that you could need. Another thing I've noticed is how much worktop space you get. Now in a new build, it's often you don't get lots of space, but you have so much room. If you were cooking like a proper meal, you would have plenty of space to do that. On the island here as well, you get loads of space. I can just see, not that I have kids, but I can see if you do have kids, they would be sat there doing their schoolwork, you could be cooking them a nice dinner, and then you could eat it at the dining table. It's just been really well considered for family life and how a person would actually use this space. Now this is definitely somewhere I can see myself having all of my meals. I mean, it's so aesthetic. So you could also definitely work from here. It would be a nice place to get a bit of working from home done. We also have the gorgeous lighting above. Now, they've done a great job here with the lighting. This makes it feel very intimate, and it adds to that Scandi style that they've gone for with the soft curves and the organic feel. There's also really lovely lighting in the kitchen. We've got the LED strip lights for that bit of ambience as well, but they've also gone practical with the spotlights because you're going to need that when you're cooking. It's not overly complex, it's just simple but done well. Before we carry on the tour, I wanted to pop outside and show you your garden space. So we have this beautiful tiered landscaping here, and it's just been turfed, as have all of the properties here. Now the best thing is, because this development was built on a golf course, you are just surrounded by green spaces, so it feels very private. You're not overlooked at all. All I can see in front of me is trees, which is great, very private. Over here we also have a shed. Now this would be ideal to keep your bikes in, anything like that, very handy to have. Now this isn't actually your only green space. We do have a roof garden upstairs, but you'll have to wait till later on in the tour to see that. Let's continue and show you the rest of the downstairs. Next up, the Lootility. Let's go and have a look. So if you haven't worked it out already, the Lootility is a combination of your loo and your utility room. I mean, how clever is that? Basically just means you haven't had to compromise on not having a utility room or not having a toilet. You get both in your Lootility. So in the utility actually, we've got the integrated washer and dryer, and then over here we have this very handy clothes drying rack as well, and you can put your clothes nicely on display like they have here. And the great thing, again, you can feel how spacious it is in here. I mean, the ceiling heights are great, and it's not like you'd expect in a new build. Sometimes a toilet is kind of like the last thing considered, and it's just been put away in a corner. I mean, it's so spacious. Even in the loo, it just feels so luxurious. Now into your more formal dining area. So this is definitely where you're going to be hosting those dinner parties and having more formal dinners. Now the interior design again in here is beautiful. It's that Scandi style. I'm not actually sure though if I would keep this as a dining room. I mean, it's a great space. It's a big space as well. So you could have it as a home office. You could have it as another living area. Let us know what you do with it in the comments below, because I'm intrigued. Also, if you are enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe so you can see even more new build tours. But for now, let's head upstairs. Now up onto the first floor, and wow, I was not expecting this. I mean, I mentioned from the outside that it feels very premium in here, but this is so luxurious. Look at the size of it. The sofa is absolutely huge. I mean, imagine if you actually moved in here and you could sit and watch some nice movies in here. It almost feels like a cinema room. I would definitely go for a big, nice projector up on here and have a bit of Harry Potter on towards Christmas time. That would be ideal. But we've also got that Scandi influence in here again, which looks gorgeous, and it just feels so cozy, and definitely somewhere you'd cozy up in the winter watching your favourite films with your family. Up here you'll notice we've switched to carpet instead of the luxury vinyl flooring that we had downstairs, which feels a lot softer and warmer on your feet. Now Northstone have taken a good few measures to make this home as energy efficient as possible. So we've got triple glazed windows, which means the heat is kept in for much longer, and it also feels really quiet around the whole house. Now another measure that they've taken is they've actually been able to add 20% more insulation in the walls than your regular new build. So it just means you're getting this modern luxury home and paying less on your energy bill, so it's a win-win. Just opposite the living room we have this very handy office. Now this will be a great place to come and get away from everything that's going downstairs and get some work done. It's nice and private in here, and it's just a great use of space. But if you don't work from home, I have another idea for this space, because when I came in I was thinking, what else could you do with this if it wasn't an office? And I had a great idea. So that's your cinema room, and you've got a few friends over, you're watching your favourite film. This could be a bar slash snack area. So you could have a bar over here, a popcorn machine. I mean, how fun would that be? Watching your film, come and grab your snacks and then carry on watching it. Now we're leaving the living areas, it's time to start showing you some of the bedrooms. But first up, on my right over here, we have the family bathroom. So let's go and have a little look. Okay, so first of all in here, we've got the same flooring as we saw in the downstairs areas. And one thing that I did notice is this whole bathroom is fully tiled. Now, in a new build, you could sometimes expect for it to be halfway done, but it feels even more luxurious that they've actually gone the whole way throughout the entire bathroom. We've got the modern sanitary ware. These are by Vitra, and we also have the spacious bath and a shower in here too. Here we are in bedroom number 1, and how cute is this? As I mentioned earlier, this home is ideal for family living, and what a great kids bedroom this is. I'm sure they would absolutely love it. Also, this room is actually a really great size, so if you don't have kids, it could easily be another double bedroom. There is also one more bedroom on this floor, so let's go and explore. So leaving the first bedroom, to get to bedroom number 2, you come through this really nice and spacious little landing area. We also have a really cute seating nook here with loads of natural light coming in, but let's go and explore bedroom number 2. So into bedroom number 2, we've got a similar layout to the first bedroom that we saw, with these huge big windows bringing in so much natural light. We've also got this lovely canopy bed in here, which is a nice touch, and this has been designed in a more feminine way and definitely for an older child. We've got the desk set up over here. I mean, I definitely would have liked a bedroom like this when I was growing up. Now we're on the top floor, which is home to that roof garden I was telling you about earlier. You will still have to wait a little bit longer to see that, But this is my favourite part of the whole house. So it's basically like a suite to yourself. This whole room is yours, which is just so luxurious. This is what I was talking about when I said it's very, very premium up here. So you could easily have this as a 4-bedroom house. If you wanted to make this bit into another bedroom, you could. But I love what they've done with this. So let me go and show you. So this suite is divided into 3 different spaces. So you've got the living area, the bathroom and the bedroom. But it also comes with some very nice extras. So this one being my favourite, we have a coffee station in your bedroom. Also, we actually have a fridge down here and it's fully stocked. So before bed, if you fancy a nice Coke or you want a cold drink before bedtime, just come and grab one from here. Also in the morning, if you're enjoying your lie-in, can't be bothered to go downstairs and deal with the rest of the family just yet, you can just make a nice little coffee here. I mean, how handy is that? This is like hotel style. Continuing the hotel style theme, we have this amazing living area in your own bedroom suite. I mean, imagine sitting here in the morning reading a book away from everyone else downstairs again. We've also got the lovely big windows in here too, bringing in loads of natural light. And I mean, this is just such a luxury to have in your own bedroom. It could easily be a 4th bedroom as well, but I really like that they've put all the details into making this as luxury and as premium as possible. What makes this such a great suite as well is that this is actually a Jack and Jill bathroom. So literally straight into your bathroom through here. Again, we've got the Vitra sanitary ware and the tiling that goes all the way up to the ceiling too. Lovely big bath here as well, very spacious, and a nice big shower. And then through here, let me go and show you the bedroom itself. And wow, how cozy does it feel in here? We've got this cloud-like, really, really soft bed, and I have sat on it. It's really, really comfy. And then we have this gorgeous headboard. So this is a boucle headboard and it goes all the way up, so it gives that cocooning effect. Just feels so warm and cozy. We've got the lovely natural light coming in again with the triple glazed windows, but you can easily shut the light out when you're ready to go to bed and close the blinds and those lovely curtains there. TV on the wall too as well. I mean, I can definitely imagine myself winding down in this room. Again, gives that real hotel suite vibe. Tucked behind this wall, we have a vanity section. So it's a very clever use of space. We haven't really eaten into the bedroom that much, but an essential to have a vanity. So we've got this gorgeous marble here and also plenty of storage space in this bedroom. So we've got built-in wardrobes just across here with so much space. But I mean, if you're like me and you have way more clothes than you need, I personally think a great walk-in wardrobe would be in the living area. But it's time to go and show you that roof garden. Let's go and have a look. Now, finally, onto the roof garden. Now, I've saved this to last for a reason because this is my favourite area of the entire house and it feels so private up here. Like I said with the garden downstairs, you're not overlooked by anyone and it just doesn't feel like you're in a new build roof garden. It just feels so peaceful and quiet up here. Can definitely imagine some nice family meals on this very large dining table too. We even have a Ninja wood fire over here, a very nice touch. On the flooring, we have the composite decking, so it's weather resistant. Now, we are in the UK, let's face it, it's not always sun shining, so very handy to have that. It just lasts a lot longer. Over here, when it is sunny, we do actually have solar panels, so again, making it more energy efficient in this home and sustainable. And to be honest, I just absolutely love it up here. So that brings us to the end of today's tour. I hope you have enjoyed it as much as I've enjoyed showing you around. Now, if you are interested, you have to come and see this place in person because it is even better in real life. For further information, check out the description box below and we'll see you in the next one. Hey New Build Show, I'm Millie and today we're touring this £2 million apartment by Keble Homes here in Ascot. So I wanted to start the tour by giving you a look at the building itself, which is so impressive. We have these 2 Georgian style manor houses